My name is Claire Eunice. I'm a pediatrician. I'm author of a memoir titled Balance, Pedal, Breathe, A Journey Through Medical School. I'm also a clinician communication coach for my medical group and a literature in medicine champion for the same. This means I've been bringing literature and writing classes to my fellow clinicians for the last 3 years at this point. The objectives for my talk today are to show you how reading and absorbing creative works can promote empathy and compassion, and how narrative medicine can be used in various settings to promote both our own and collective well-being, how it can counteract bias and help teams work together.